Mary, so I'm going outside, but look, how's the weather like today? Look at the window, what can you say? It's a rainy, rainy day, we cannot go out and play. Yes, I want to go out, so I'm going to take my raincoat. One moment, I'm going to take my raincoat. Yes, it's here.
It's too small, Maria. It's too small.
Do you think so? Yes, I think so too. It's too small.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to take my raincoat. One moment, please. Here.
It's too big, Maria. It's too big.
Yes, it's too big. Yes. Okay, I'm going to take it off. Okay, I'm going to take my raincoat. One moment, please. One moment. Yeah, this is my raincoat. This is my raincoat. Yeah, perfect. It's my raincoat. This is my raincoat. Now I'm ready to go outside. No, I need my umbrella. One moment. I'm going to take my umbrella. Oh, my umbrella.
It's too big.
Yes? Too big, right? Yeah, it's too big. Okay, I'm going to take another umbrella. One moment, please. This one.
It's too small, Maria.
Yes,
it's too small.
Yes, too small. Okay, one moment. This one is perfect! I love it! My umbrella, my raincoat. Perfect. Now I can go outside. It's raining today. I need my raincoat and my umbrella.